I thought since the ads are over, I might as well just flip it over because we're not exactly waiting on anything to load here. Hello, good afternoon. Uh, had a couple hours before I'm off to the gym. Monday's a bit of an odd day for me, although Mondays might actually be changing, so never know. But yeah, I had a couple hours before was going to the gym. Was just updating some code stuff and was like, you know what? Why don't I just yap? Why don't I just sit here and just chat to you while I just go through and update stuff that I haven't really touched in a couple months? Oh god. I thought about continuing the video editing stuff, but then I was like, I got a load of it done on Sunday, but in reality, it was kind of like it was just like, if I want to do video editing, I need to do some this afternoon, this or tonight or whatever, because yeah, I'm coming up to a time when I need to make another clip for myself. I can't really put time towards making Himi's clip, all that stuff. Himi's stuff comes second when it comes to my channel, obviously. If I have spare time, I'll do that for her. But yeah, I need to make another YouTube short. Actually, when I post that? 8th of February. Oh wait, no, that's a video from last year. 7th of December. Yeah, so I need to make a clip tonight and post that, so I can't really focus on Hima's stuff. How is that caught up? There's no way that got 500 as well. What what streak is that? I've got plus 400 views. No, wait, plus 450. No, wait, 400's right. That one's on 401. Plus 400 views on each shot I've posted since I come back. That is insane. Like, most of my shorts, like, actually, yeah, what's my records on shorts? Okay, yeah, got, I've got several that are over, like, 500, but wow, the overwhelming majority didn't even break 100. So that is quite the streak I've got at the moment, although no standout clip. Comedy found. Yeah. Uh, I'm gonna diversify short content. I've got some ideas like based around just pre-recorded stuff and not even like stream content. So we'll see how that pans out. I'll probably start producing them later this week, but for now I've still got some clips and highlights that need editing down. Da, da, da. I think I've got Stream Manager open here. So where's highlights? Freaking, I hate that freaking one on Saturday is just that's the thumbnail. That sucks so much. Right, so yeah, I've got the Tesla. Yeah, Twitch DC. Yeah, I've got a Tesla Tower highlight. I've got me and ADK essentially stabbing each other, jumping off the cliff in Genshin without stamina. That was quite funny. When I just fell into the water and drowned after recovering. Uh, Punish from Mind of State. I don't know if I'll do those bookshot ones. Betrayed by his lack. Oh, the lack of aptitude one should be easy enough to turn into a clip. Yeah. If you want to go through my highlights, I think you can just access them through my channel page. Da, 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 da. Videos. Yeah. If you just go on my channel and then go on the videos tab, filter by highlights, you can just see all the highlights I've made. Okay, that's good. We got some good ones in there. Obviously, they're too long to be clips, which is a bit annoying. I have to edit them down. But yeah, so much stuff to do. Oh yeah, I didn't post on Blue Sky or Twitter, but honestly, I can't be asked. We're just kind of yapping. I don't want to absolutely flood it. How are we doing today anyway? I just discovered something in Elden Ring deal. Oh god, what have you found? Anyway, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was building a debug provider. You can find larval tears at night in random spots because they glow at night. Ooh. In the DLC? Although thinking about it, I've probably got absolutely tons of larval tears because I've not respect. Oh god. What was I thinking here? Obviously, we need a poster. I can't freaking type today. Oh my god. I can't type today. What is wrong with me? Jesus. Then we want one for... Da, da, da. This one will just call post message with message and just log it. Now the meat and potatoes. Code, Mr. Coder. I'm trying. I heavily dyslexic, so I can't spell. God. I'm just trying to think what I was doing with this. Because obviously, as a class, it just wants a reference. You don't actually populate it. Yeah, so I guess since we're not accessing this, we'll just create a new container for each one. So when we post a message, we want to create a new body. What is that prediction? Debug message. What was I thinking there? We don't need the post date for that. We just take the latest date. It's been so long. It's what happens when you spend loads of time away. You just start forgetting stuff, even the most basic. Right, so now we don't need the Oh god. And I also remember you don't need that because you can type it like this. Uh, just so much to figure out. How are we doing anyway? New week, new things I have to do. Did I activate song requests? Yeah, song requests. Song requests are on if you want to request anything. Okay. So now with who asked about song requests? You multi-streaming? No. It's good for you. It's good for you to know because I can just turn it off. Why are you questioning me? If you want a song request, I'm telling you, you can. I probably say it because like originally, like we obviously had the song request bar up and actually telling you like, oh yeah, you can song request like this, and it was just going across the top of the screen, and it would tell you the song request name. But now I don't show that. You can just you can just use exclamation point SR and just I is the command still bottom? I can't remember. Did I leave the commands at the bottom of the? Ah, yeah, I did. So if you want to do some requests, all the commands are at the end of the stream. Okay. I thought I remember removing them. I couldn't remember if I put them back. But yeah, they're all there. uh, So then it was. I can't remember the order. They're obviously in number order. Yeah, warning, error, critical, and then I think the other one was system. The heck is this? What do you mean? We're just hanging out. I always say about if you're doing something, then just turn your stream on and just hang out. There's nothing really like. Some people, some people like to learn coding through this. If they watch other people code or like just have it on in the background. Plus, with song requests, if you want to listen to something in particular, you can listen to it. So I'm currently working in Godot, so I can't remember what all the. That's it. Yes, to access Godot from the static instance, I would have to be like debug provider dot instance. I can't remember how my singleton base works. It's been so long. Protected static. Oh, I just want I just want instance. Whoops. So if I just do, am I missing something there? Did I forget to make it static or something? What have you requested? I can't even read it. And it's a minute long. What is this? I mean, all the errors? What errors? There was one error. Wait, two? What? Oh, right, because it's not. Yeah. What have you requested? I should just be able to access instance from iSingleton, which is used in Singleton base. Why can I... What? Why can I not access that? Because it's Singleton base... Feature of a brain rot? It did sound familiar, but I can't put my finger on it. Why is this not working? It's a public interface which is attached to Singleton base, which it can access itself here. Why is that? If I'm in the base, can I just access instance? If I spell it right? No, I can't. What the... What have I done here? This code from years ago. Not years ago. Well, months ago. But you know what I mean. Why can I not access you? Because you're in here in a public which is provided by T. I should just be able to access this static. What the frick? Don't tell. Oh, don't tell me I've. I think I know how to do it. If I did it like this, I'm gonna start questioning myself. Singleton. That right? That's right. That sucks. That is not how I thought that would work. Okay. I think I know why that's happened. Because this is static. It shouldn't be static. Or is it this one should be static? So that one's static, so that then manages it, and then I should be able to just access it via... Nope. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'll stick with the way I know for now. So via self instance, I need to print. Watch, I'm not even gonna need a. It's a GC print, isn't it? Post. It's been so long. What am I doing? This is what happens when you don't code for an extended period of time. You just become really bad at it. Okay, hang on. I've definitely got some pulse in here. Hang on a second. Dude just having a rave while I'm trying to... GD print. There they are, okay. What is that emote? Jesus. Rave Lights by Mystic. Oh, and then Tail Wag. Oh yeah, did my new one get approved? No ways it not been approved yet. Come on, Twitch. Am I still waiting? Oh, I'm still waiting. Really? Well, if you haven't seen the new emote, I posted it in the server. Did I post it in the server? I didn't post it in the server. I might as well post it so you actually see. I got it commissioned and it's just... I glitch out. What's rich again? I assume it's special. Da, da, da. BB code tags are supported. BIUS, indent code, URL, center right, color, BG color. What's... does it want it in a specific way? BB code tags. Okay, just so I remember for next time. Do that. And then to tag something, you essentially do tag. And then it's backslash tag. Parameterized tags, complex parameterized tags. Oh, Jesus. Saves you so much time to just take that. I've closed it and I immediately forgot what I was going to actually use to highlight an important message. What was it? I could just use bold, actually. I could, yeah. I was gonna do something fancy, but I might as well just use bold, which is literally just so for now the important message can just be the message in bold. GD. What's S? Prints one or more arguments to the console with a space between. Prints one or more arguments to the console with a tab. Pushes a warning message to inbuilt. I guess that's what we'll do then. We'll just immediately push the message to warning state, and then gd dot push error. Thank you, predictor. You actually got one right for once. So critical messages are essentially messages that are just absolute vital input. I could just load them in with just lump them together with error, because obviously we're using a Godot engine. We don't actually need to specify a different level of error if we can't actually display it properly. System messages. If anything very specific comes in, I'll just throw them in with the italic. If we italicize the system messages, that's fine. But yeah, I think I'll get rid of critical. I don't need critical actually. So message has been created, message has been posted, and then we need to sort it into our tables. How easy is it to just access the current list of debug messages? Because I don't want to create a new list. Oh wait, no, I would have to create a new list, because then if I provide the original list, if it gets edited, it would mess up the references. That's, yeah. Are these all freaking... Yeah, they're all... Why is link in by default? Do not use... Avoid link if ever possible. Contains... Values... Ah, it provides an I list. Okay. So that's not bad. Because obviously we're going to need... list of... We'll just have it return the class object. Oh wait, no, but then we wanted to output essentially the string component of the entire message. Woodsy, how you doing? List of get all debug. The predictor is on a field day. What the hell? Right, so this we want to do public override. It's actually on a roll. What the hell? How does it know? Very confused, but well. I assume you're confused about the what do you call it? The RAM situation. How did you manage? I've never managed to fill my RAM before. Oh, you open my task manager. What is it? Sure. Oh yeah, it doesn't show anything, but yeah, like I'm streaming with everything running, and it's like, what are you doing? How have you filled? How did you fill 32 gig, Woodsy? No more confused looking at parts for a new PC. Parents said if I sell what I want and get a price, they'll look at solutions to my problems. Woodsy, is getting a new PC really the right move to do? That's also going to cost so much money. It's gonna it's gonna cost way more than the 3 monitors you got. That like, are you sure? It was one in your PC anyway. That's when I started saving up for. You know how to sit Jesus out. I always did. I just chose not to till now. I think that's worse, Woodsy. I think that's a worse statement to make. You should always try to save money. I wouldn't announce that so proudly. Yeah. Oh, God. The fact that you're putting X as well. Jesus, guys. How do I want to produce this? Probably something like just return. Hmm. I'll just make a producer in here. So public static string. Uh, actually, no. I'll set it to private for now. I don't actually want this out in the open just yet. Type. Freaking debug type enum message. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a joke. Feel like via text it doesn't come across. No, it really doesn't. I've been saving my ISA for ages, but I've also had to dip into it more than I wanted to. I'm already at the point where, depending on price, I can pay about half the PC. That also depends on the PC as well. Also, if I were to buy an M.2 to pop into my PC, do I need to check to make sure it's compatible with my motherboard? Yeah. Well, compatibility is two ways. You got to check the PCIe generation against the drive, and then also check that you've actually got an NVMe slot on your motherboard to actually plug it into. Don't want you getting a M.2 drive and then be like, I've got nowhere to plug this in. Uh, right, so we'll just go down the things. So far with my PC creation, I have a case that I like the look of, and that's it. So I could. Wait, you're even going with a full new case as well? You're not even just going to replace your parts? Yes, I know those words well. Maybe I do just send my PC off to a manufacturer to upgrade. Well, I mean that's gonna cost extra, but I mean it's really not hard. Like if you want later, I can like try and go over it with you, and like we can get your motherboard number, check if it has an available slot, see if you're not already using them, and yeah, we can see about that then. It's PC knowledge is my thing. Yeah, I know, but I just don't want to fuck up. ADK was like that, and I was like, what was it he wanted to change? He wanted to. That was it. He had a hard drive and an SSD, but he couldn't really work out how to plug it in, I think. So I just went round his and did it for him. But then his motherboard had this weird thing happen because it had a lot of SATA slots, and some turned off when the NVMe went in. So then I looked up for him the correct slots to plug into. Yeah, it. I can help you with that if you need help. It's computers are just big Lego pieces. Just as long as you don't have the power on, you can just treat them like Lego pieces. Asus Prime B550 Plus. I guess I'm doing this now. No way, no way. I've looked at this before. No way, it's the same as 80Ks. It's legitimate. You legit have the same one as 80Ks. I think it's standard. There's so many different kinds and brands of motherboards out there. How like the fact that you have the exact same one as 80Ks, that was like, what? Okay, that makes it so much easier. That makes it so much easier because I know what the problem was when we put the NVMe in. Do you have any NVMe drives in already? Just a friend request on Discord. Only mutual server is yours, but can't find a person in your user list. So seeing as don't recognize the person, will do my usual. Don't question simulate. What? If it's in my Woodsy, if it's in my Discord, then we've already weeded out the bots. Also, if it's in my Discord, let me know. Plus, you're a mod. You should know the rules of my Discord as well. Bots can't get in, I don't think. Or any bots that were there, they go through the new guy drop zone and then get promptly kicked out. Uh, Interesting. Someone just dropped into the server, but the bot zone didn't post it. That's odd. Yeah, so there's a new person that just dropped in the new guy zone of the server. Where did he get his? I got mine from PC Specialist, and no, because I need to make sure I don't need to do more. I can't remember if he got it from PC Specialist. Looking at the rules, nothing about sending friend invites. Honestly, if it's probably safe to say that if they've sent you a friend invite immediately after dropping into the server, eviscerate them. Just bonk them. Shouldn't do that. If it's that, I assume you can see that person. If I change it to, yeah, hang on. If I view the server from mod view, can you actually see the drop-in channel properly? I assume you can. Yeah, you can. So if it's that person that dropped in the new guy drop zone, just bonk them, just nuke them. Because I was thinking up on my CPU as well as I have a Ryzen 5 3600 6 core. Ah, yeah, you can go up to a 5000 series with a BIOS update. Exterminatus. I'm confused as to which place I'm meant to be looking. The very bottom. New drop zone at the very bottom. And for anyone in the server wondering where on earth this area is, it's mods only. After you verify, you can't see that anymore. Yeah, if it's that person in there, just bonk them because you're mod. Just they shouldn't be sending invites. Carrefour needed bonk equals ban. Yeah, we don't. If they come in and just send invites to people, just ban them. The bot, if a person doesn't verify, the bot will automatically kick them. Doesn't ban them. If obviously if someone's coming in and had malicious intent to send invites to people, freaking ban them. Just we don't want that. Also, I thought sending invites, direct DMs to strangers without permissions is not accepted. Please keep conversation in moderator view. I guess I'll update that to be like also friend invites as well. But yeah, rule one. We'll count that as a rule one ban. Wording sounds like I was a bot. It doesn't matter. You bonked them properly. Oh god. The other type of bonking. I might just pay for you to travel. Help come to me. I do have to go up to Newcastle because I need to go to IKEA, and also ADK will probably want to spend some time with me over Christmas or something, maybe. So we'll see. I turn into the server's freaking mobile PC repairman. I like it when it's all quiet. All this shows I have no clue what I'm doing with my job. IKEA mentioned. Woo, IKEA! I do recommend IKEA food. Well, I say I recommend IKEA food. I had IKEA food in Stockholm. I don't know how much that translates to coming over here. But yeah, IKEA food, nice. How am I doing this? I can probably do. Yeah, if I do it like that, and then I can do post it. Oh, and then I can't remember what the. I think it autofills if I do it like this. So if I start putting in a. Here we go. Yeah. So I want the full. FENGB full short date, full long date. Here we go. General, yeah. So we'll go with a general post, and then I'll put the spaces on the time provider. And then message. Seeing all the confusing names of things, think about getting you to help me with looking at. I really am turning into the PC repair guy, aren't I? So my CPU could go up to a 5000 series. Is that like any gen? Like I could do a 7th, 9th gen 5K. Yeah. So you're looking for a Ryzen. Can I just? So if I just do AMD 5000 series. Yeah, so you're essentially just looking for freaking anything in this generation. So the number the number you care about is the 5000 part. This one's my this one's my CPU. Cassette Beats was made in Godot. That's so cool. Cassette Beats? I don't recognize cassette. Sorry, since you're working on your bot. It's fine. I'm on. Honestly, I just started streaming to Yap. I was just like doing stuff in the background, like not really like focusing on anything. So I just thought, you know what, I'll just start streaming, yeah, while I do this. It gets the stream out the way, doesn't it? Ugh, I don't like that interpolation. It's just I'm just hanging out. It's like there's so much work that has to be done on a bot, and it's not like it needs to be done. Like I'm not even working on the bot itself. This is the debug provider. So I'm just making something to actually keep track of all the messages. The way I see it, you and Argent are wizards when it comes to stuff like this. You know and understand the words which we mere mortals can't comprehend. It's not about price, it's a creature collection game. Interesting. Yeah, with the problems at Unity, I assume a lot of like game developers are moving over to just using Godot and stuff like that. It's kind of why I'm using Godot at the moment, because it's just, well, something new and just learning something else. I don't have to worry about licensing, and yeah, I can use freaking .NET 9 in this. I can go all the way up to freaking just, where is it? There's the project. Yeah, I could use .NET 9 in this. Freaking so nice. Like Unity's stuck on freaking net 5 or 4 point something. It's, in fact, no, it's not even net. It's not even net a number. It's net core 5, which is like so long ago. It's so frustrating. Oh god. I was thinking of trying it, but I don't have the space time. I know you're trying to say spare time, but it just sounds it just sounds better saying space time. It's like I can throw my time through dimensions. Zawardo! Even by stopping time. Even by stopping time, I don't have time to work on it. Don't have the space time, just get a TARDIS. Oh, God. Right. So this is a. I'll just have it return because we just want it as a list of the outputted strings. I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Messages, new string, and then pre-initialize with all debug messages dot count. Then for int x0 x less than all the. It's the same variable I like using the current storage I'm using. Oh, I'm also going to need a reference to the. I need the list to the currently stored debug message containers. References. All debug messages dot values. That's the thing. Can I still access that with X? Yes, I can. Okay, that is good. Oh, we're going on ad break in a couple minutes. I mean, that could be something I could do. I could teach you guys coding if you really wanted to. I could just set aside some time and actually like go over stuff if people actually want to learn to code and all that. God, we're an hour. Actually, yeah, we're an hour in already. I've got, let's see, I've got about 50 minutes before I have to start getting ready. Messages dot. To string. Because of having stream open on my Kindle, which originally trying to watch, to continue watch anime, I thought you could teach us cloning. Who said I couldn't? I can clone myself. How do you think? How do you how do you think I do stuff? My clone is off doing housework right now. Teach me JavaScript so I can do Foundry stuff myself. If you do, will you hire me at your game studio? That's if I manage to set up a game studio. Cries. I thought you were just better at time management. Questionable. Sorry about that. Yeah, better at time management. I guess with me it's more I'm just a workaholic, I guess. I'm not sure. Small indie team. Yeah, I actually need to make a game first. And then like I can pay people. Scott never left because of his leg. He sent clones around the world. Why'd you think I went to all those cities? I left my DNA in all of those places. As we speak, I grow and multiply in all of those different locations. I have just thought of an issue with my thing. I don't know. I don't know if all of these will be in the correct order, because when you sort it, you sort... Ooh, there'll probably be a parameter that I can put in. Date time compare... Ooh, yeah. Or I can just look it up. Because obviously we're providing date time. We're going to be providing date time to this, so C# sorted list date time. Man sent close to impre... Okay, I know what you're saying there. Left your DNA, so you're saying you spread your... Can we spell? I know I'm the dyslexic one, but please can we spell today? Left your DNA in multiple places, huh? Technically, yeah. And leaving your DNA is as simple as like going to pee. Remember? Don't know what you're. I don't know what all you're thinking. Da, da, da. Stop. Starts in ascending order. Okay, so the earliest date time should go in. So they're adding by int. Please tell me there's one by date time. That's not a deep enough example. Sort date time. Why are people just taking a list and then just putting date time in it and then sorting it? What does that even do for you? What is wrong with people? I swear I could make a short of just me complaining about like people's odd coding habits of this doesn't make sense. Oh, we're on ad time. In fact, since we're on ad time, it's actually a good time to pee. I'm gonna quickly pee. 15 seconds to go. Hell yeah. Oh, okay. Once we're out of ads, I'll keep reading chat. Okay, we should be good. Right. Where were we? I can't. This 60% handicaps me. What? Oh, keyboard. Right. I took a 60% keyboard with me on holiday, and even though it was only 60%, it was such a lifesaver with the Steam Deck. Just read that apparently itch.io was shut down because of Funko, because Funko used an AI-powered brand protection software. Yep, I saw that. I think they were down for like 3 hours because the DNS provider that received the complaint essentially didn't they didn't take into account itch.io resolved the issue and took down the violating content, and they just downed itch.io for 3 hours. It was so stupid. And it made me hate Funko even more. Even though I've never really used itch.io, but something deep down in me just was like, I hate you even more now, Funko. I heard you're spreading your DNA. Stop dropping your Excuse me, Lippy. Stop dropping your pubes everywhere, man. Wear underwear. No, I will walk around my hotel rooms butt naked, swinging my meat around. And why is it when when we're talking about spreading my DNA, you turn up? What the hell, Lippy? Spreading his DNA more. Scott went to contact his clones to hide the evidence. Now we're on to him. Damn, you know they know. Why do ads think I'm interested in rugby, the army, the navy, and Royal Marines? Oh, and Magic the Gathering. Two things. Unemployed. You're also a nerd. So the unemployment is essentially trying to get you into armed service. The nerd part is the Magic the Gathering interest, possibly. Targeted ads. They find out everything about you and target you. I've only used itch.io for a few things, mainly I hate how you're wording this. I hate this. Blame Reffy. Funko being a plague on humanity even without their things. Reffy summoned me. My Go Live notifications should summon you. Oh my god, but Jesus Christ. Why is are you all in a call or something? Yeah, you're all in a call, just like oh, Camille's in a thing with I hovered over Hemi's server. It's like 4 people in a room. No, it's Libby and Revy are in one room. I can't join the military. I'm a coward. Also, all the health issues. Well, the advertisers don't care about that. They just want to target you. Right. What was I doing? Oh, right. I made the thing to get all the debug messages, but not actually add them in yet. So essentially, we will just. I think the first stage is just as simple as all. Oh yeah, it's static. It's static. We don't do that on statics. So because date time, it's going to be so unlikely date times get overwritten because it's time. Tracks all time. So we're going for container dot post date and then the container itself just to keep it organized, and then debug message directory add message type and container. So now we got an organized segment of them. And just so we're actually using the dictionary version, we'll do God damn it. We'll do a off type version as well. Poor Camille. Pop down. I don't want to be targeted by the military. Listen, if you're below a certain age, well, if you're in between certain ages, the army is always looking to recruit because they need meat for the meat grinder. It's how it's always is. That's just a fact. Get all good messages type, then we'll provide the type. I wouldn't pass the psychic test. Psyche test. One, sim. Two, my asthma would disqualify me. And yeah, I wouldn't pass the mental or physical test because of my asthma. It's not the worst way to be targeted by the military. Yeah, that's true. You have a point there. Ooh, this needs to. I just realized this needs to be a list of not that of that needs to be a list of that. Make field read only. Syntax. What? Oh, I'm missing an arrow. No. And it's also right. I can set these to read only because they're initialized and then never set again. And they shouldn't be set. Oh yeah, I need to pre-initialize the lists in this. So freaking square bracket, square bracket. So then it's new list. It is 5, yeah, it's 5. Okay. Well, they can't have my meat. Also questioning the wording again. Questioning. That's the Navy. they do they do some questionable things here in the Navy. Apparently, I cannot confirm. I have not been in the Navy myself. Let's get the messages out first. So we want to do debug message dictionary dot try get by the type, and we out the list of debug message containers. Containers. If that fails, actually, we want to do this. If it fails, we want to throw new invalid operational. I guess it doesn't really matter. Give it a null. Yeah, we'll give it. We'll just do Yeah, we'll do that. So then we can do containers.count and work from there. Oh, I'd failed the physical, no problem. I'm physically fit. Like I'm nowhere near like army fitness, but I'm physically like fit. I mean, I went walking like 20 kilometers a city, like around Europe recently. I am physically fit. I'm wondering if I want to risk trying Star Rail again if it will fully kill my PC this time. I don't know how you got Star Rail to use like 20 gig of RAM. That doesn't make sense. Is it even a 20 gig game? Crayons, Marines. We are out of crayons. Platoon Sergeant says we're gonna fucking stop. You're just messaging your drill sergeant. Says, "Sir, we're out of crayons. We've ate them all. Please." Oh god. I'm getting a at-home treadmill. We need more Crayola. Oh, what was that Badger video? One of the Badger videos was like, pass the Crayola. Oh, which one was it? I can't remember. Yeah, good line. Good line. But yeah, you're getting an at-home treadmill. I am off to the gym in an hour. Literally an hour's time. I will be heading to the gym to probably use the treadmill. Maybe a COD video. It was either COD or Battlefield. I can't remember. For some reason, when first playing it, it decided to run at 11,000 megabytes. Now it's running at 1,000. Okay, that is quite the dramatic change from before. Let's yeah, I'm just copying that. Just got it. Yeah, because then we take all the in fact we don't even need that. Oh right, yeah. I should still keep that and make this a sorted list because obviously date time. We should respect the date time parameter. There we go. Has the auto thing kicked in? Almost. There we go. Well, almost there. Are you gonna fix it? Nope, I have to fix it myself. Really? Really? Okay. Oh well. It did most of the work for me, so I can't complain. Oh, I'd even put the end on, really? Oh well. Sorted list. Okay, there we go. So we got debug providers. Let's just remove sort that. So now that if I call this, it will now produce and manage any logs and stuff. So it will keep any log messages. It'll for a list that I can actually access and use and print if need be. So I'll have to make the printing like list printing myself if I want to. But I was gonna make it a singleton just in case. Oh right, yeah, with a singleton, it'll help actually with like actually working with it in the actual game world. but we don't actually need this yet. I'm still a long way from doing anything in. I'm still a long way from actually displaying any of this. I remember because it's Geese that says it, with Grouse following up. Yeah. Uh, I think I'm up to date with Badger's videos. I think. Yeah, I think so. Oh, I've still got so many long videos to watch that accumulated over the time I was away. Why is it with content creators posting like so many videos that are over like an hour and a half now? It's so frustrating to try and keep up and watch them. Right. I can leave that now. I don't need to do anything extra to the base. Hmm. How did I? Because obviously I've done this before. How did I freaking? Because the big difference is Unity. Hold on, let me load up Streamlinked. Is this project showing anything I shouldn't be showing? Nah, it looks good. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in why this why I just left this like kind of crappy. So let's see. Set install debug manager. Yeah, if you look, I've also created one like a debug manager for Unity and stuff. So that was just the equivalent I was making for Godot. Singleton instance. So the way I did it, it was an abstract class of singleton instance, which provides. That was it. Okay. So if I switch this to actually be. So if I do that, can I then do debug provider dot? I can't. Why is that different? I know we're working in the static realm, but why did that not work? Yeah, because I'm just using public static, and this is just an abstract. Public interface, which attaches onto a public abstract class. So that should just work. Why doesn't that just work? Yeah, because these literally just they literally just take the type. Yeah, because it's just a class that takes the type, and then it can just get its own instance. Why is it different? Because this is well, the immediate difference is this interface. Is it because of? Oh, no way is it. It's probably because I have to make this an interface because we have to inherit from Node. Oh, it's gonna be that, isn't it? BRB? Yeah. Anytime. Anytime. Well, I'm gonna be live for another 20-30 minutes ish. Yeah, because so this has come about because I assume if I just throw these into singleton base. Yeah, if I throw it into singleton base and then try it. So if I do debug provider dot instance. Yeah, there we go. That's the intended behavior. But why is this not requiring I implement it? Because it should be requiring me. I guess if I change this to get. Is it because they're abstract it's not requiring me to? That's odd. So if I do public stat. No, it's because they're static. That's why. Freaking I'm getting myself confused here. Because you have to go between static realm and normal realm. So the instance itself is static, but then the get instance is also. But then obviously that doesn't matter in this case because singleton instance is managing the self type as well, whereas singleton base is actually passing the type back into singleton. I am probably confusing so many of you right now. But I do know what I'm on about, and it's a bit of confusing lingo jingo with what's going on here with how I've structured this. I'll leave it like that for now, but the big issue I have. Well, in fact, is it really a big issue? Because it is self-creating. It's self-creating, and I can just access it with. I guess for now I'll just put a message to say like. Uh, I single turn t type parameter of t. Does that work? Nope, that broke the. How do I? Can I just do that? I can't remember how you do markdown on the thing. Hang on. uh, use arrow symbol. That is It is telling me the literal arrow symbol. That is not helpful. I can never remember. Cheat sheet for Markdown language. Where is it? Fence code. Since you've been gone. Escape character might work. Yeah, that's actually a good point. So if I do, nope, that still broke it. Use the paragraphs to escape the markdown process. Use conditions apply. That did not work. God damn it! I just want the arrows to make it look nice. Oh, it's because it's a special markdown character itself. Frick. Comment. Escape character, yeah. How do I escape characters in comments? Do I bracket it? Nope. God, this is so annoying. Yeah, that didn't. God, this is so frustrating. Just trying to follow what the. This is a long shot, but no way is it making me do it like this. There's no way. No, that didn't work. I don't know how you do it. That is quite frustrating. And I can't really seem to find anything that is helping me here. Uh, no way do I have to use an alternate. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is awful. Does it at least look okay? Okay, that's passable. That's passable. That is so frustrating. little tiny arrow. So now it actually, like, when I hover over it, and then we do instance. So that way I remember for this one, access instance via iSingleton type instance. Does that actually autofill? I just thought. So if I do I singleton and then we're doing debug provider. No, that is Oh, there, yeah, that actually did it. Yeah, a little documentation thing to remember. I just have to remember to highlight singleton base, and it'll tell me access instance via isingleton debug provider.instance. Yeah, so then I can just do instance, and I can access the singleton from there. Right. Do I need this anymore? I was checking. Yeah, this is the difference between the two. Actually, do I need to do any Twitch updates? That's a good idea. Twitch changelog. 12:05. I think I'm up to date. Oh wait, no, 12. I don't think I'm up to date. Did they really do this right after I do a publish update? 25th of November. God, you sons! I swear to God, I posted this like probably on the 3rd or something. It was like, yeah, I literally posted this on the 3rd. You sons of God. Okay. Literally posted it on the 3rd. We're gonna do 2 updates since then. Yeah, freaking like, really, guys? So Twitch drop guidelines have been updated to include information regarding subscription-based drops now available for all game developers, so that doesn't matter. We've also revised the developer services agreement to include subscription, but okay, so right. That one is nothing. I don't have to worry about that. Following updates, following V2 are now available in... Okay, they've published that already? I literally just posted that in beta, because that's what they did. So, oh well. So it was... It's just... Hello? There we go. So it is related to automod dot automod messages hold v2. So you have to double check that this is still the same now that they've updated it. So you have to essentially go through all of the like parameters and stuff and basically just make sure it's all still the same. User message ID held at reason automod blocked terms. So now I need to check the internal pieces. It looks like it's all still the same. So text fragments, and then all right, yeah, it's a shared message. Like it's used in so many places. This message component. Fragments type dice, and then emote. You know, I'll take the benefit of the doubt that yeah, it's all still the same. These two I know were new, so we'll give a quick look to these. So category, level, boundaries, start and end position, far, and then block terms, terms found. So we've got term ID boundary, which is just start and end position, and then okay. So they put it in base and then didn't change anything. Okay. I guess I can't complain. So if it's not changed, that means this one can be changed to 2. This one's the other one, isn't it? Yeah, auto message update. So this one gets changed to 2 as well. In fact, I better check that actually, because Twitch is never really clear about this. Yeah, okay. So he just wants it as number 2 in that slot. So update. Oh, that's wrong. Why is that? That is okay. This update needs to go up then. Okay. Scored, you're after Sao Me 2. What's a Xiaomi? What's a Xiaomi? I don't know what that is. Uh, moderator message ID message. Stars held it recent. Okay, yeah. It just wanted those numbers updating, and then that freaking yeah, it's literally just a tiny update to enum. I'll have to update the numbers and stuff, but I can't believe I made that mistake though. That I don't know how I made that mistake, but okay. I guess that's something I've done. Why were you wrong? What was I doing? Oh well. At least I know to do that and push it up tonight. I'll have to go through and update like dates and stuff and then verify and all that nonsense, but still. Doesn't matter. I can do that later. I don't need this open anymore. What time are we at? 4:28. Suomi, a gun slash girl in Girls Frontline 2. It was playing her summoning music. I've never heard of the person. I never played Girls Frontline 2, and I had no idea that was summoning music. I guess now we're summoning Goku. Freaking Ultra Instinct. Oh yeah, the last thing we need to do for this is freaking. So we want to. So we want to get the thing. Message type goes in there. And then we just put the containers dot add con. Oh wait, the time. Yeah. Container dot post it container. Okay, I got my debug provider done anyway. So this, when I look for debug messages, will essentially tell me the type of message, the date of which the message was sent, and then it'll give me the message contents. Oh, I should probably do. Oh, right, yeah. Errors will automatically go into here. And then, yeah. Do I mark them then? Errors printed this way will not pause project execution. Yeah, that's good. There's an override. What's the override? Oh, just many. Okay. Uh, Food acquired. Right. with that, I'm actually kind of tempted to. Oh, I can do it. I can do it from here actually. So I can produce. I can just make the message produce a better message here because this content is already being pushed into the console. I don't have to worry about markdown after that. It's also not keeping the markdown that is applied for like important or system that I've added. So I can just essentially move. Yeah, if I do string date string equals. So we got that, and then oh it did, oh I forgot to copy the thing. So we got the date string. We'll change this to message. We'll have all of it just be the message. Da, da, da. So what's the menu for tonight? Tonight is probably video editing. I probably won't be playing a game because I need to make a short for the YouTube and TikTok since it's been a couple days. And if that doesn't take all night, I've still got more of Hime's video to edit. I've cut down most of it. I'm now like currently fine tuning the video process. And once that's done, I then need to add subtitles and extra little like effects and stuff. I've managed to equalize her audio as well, so she sounds so her voice is a lot closer to everyone else's voices in the game. God. Southern fried chicken thighs. Oh, don't make me hungry. I have to go to the gym. God. The way to do this will be just type string equals that. And then string dot message string equals this dot type switch. Why did it throw that in there? Okay. And then this is type string plus date string plus message string. It's just gym to buy so. Seeing the talk of food is making me want to have, but it's only 4:30, which is way too early for me. Yeah, I'm gonna finish typing this, and then I have to go as well. So message content is not it's what we want. So the way we do this is fortunately you can just type or, I think. Will that work? Oh, can you really? Oh, right, there's a comma there. So log or any will do a standard message. It doesn't like that default is there, so I'll put that there. So log or any will provide this dot message content as normal. System. But now I'll just put this dot message content in there. One piece. Seconds of. You're actually summoning him. I guess that works for an important message. This is it's early days message providing, so we just want something to essentially signal that this. I could even leave this blank if I wanted to, and they're just there ready for if I want to do something else. It's obviously a little bit of a waste of programming power, but so we're already providing a space. System, I could just put system. I guess that's the way to do it. I guess early on, I'll just put warning and early. Did that really just get rid of my formatting? There we go. And that'll do for that. Good stream. I got my debug provider done and updated. Well, I say updated my Streamlinked project. But good yap. We had a good time. Also, more people turn up than usual than on a night. So I guess I'll keep trying to just go live during the day, whatever I'm doing. But I do have to end here. I got to go to the gym. Got to make sure I keep exercising. This is the Scored One channel. We only work with ones and zeros. Yeah, damn right, dwarf. How dare you throw out a number 2 in this channel? But yeah, something I will be doing on top of like Elden Ring and the other games is I have bought the Space Age DLC for Factorial because I just keep thinking about it. I keep wanting to play it, and god damn it, I will play it. I do. I want to play it so bad, but I'm gonna try and get a Death World set up. I'll see if I can get the first like 10-15 minutes out the way because it's a long process to get started, and then you can see me suffer. Okay, I'll stop throwing my number 2s. Do not number 2 in chat. I swear to God, I'm not cleaning up after you. But yeah, let's see. Who is on my list? I don't think I've thrown everyone at cute list in a while. But I might as well. Anyway, I do need to go. So, I might stream tonight. Might not. If I do stream, I've got video editing to do. If I feel like streaming the video editing process, then you can catch me later. It will be me editing my own clips. So I guess we can go over some funny clips that happened over the last week or so. But yeah, thank you for stopping by in this early afternoon stream. I say early afternoon; it's nearly 5 o'clock. I don't know what that counts as, but I'm gonna throw you a cute list, and yeah, maybe see you later tonight. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning in, and see you later.